Porcupine. Pretty good. I'd eat this again.
Impressed. Definitely impressed.
You just leave it plain?
Whatever you want to do.
I'm gonna leave it plain. Watch it.
So porcupine's the other white meat. Actually, it's red, right? It's kind of reddish.
It comes out reddish, but a lot of people compare it to pork.
Because it's porcupine? Pork?
Yeah, maybe.
Hoo-hoo-hoo.
Could be it.
Look at this. I'm just gonna let that go a little bit, or what?
Yeah.
Is that a toaster for the fire pit?
It is.
Look at you.
Fits perfectly in this
Look at this, Bella.
aluminum Dutch oven.
Aluminium Dutch oven.
Come on.
Get in there. Or out of there. Holy, just lathering it up, eh?
Oh yeah.
What temperature was that at?
Which part?
When you took a temperature reading.
165, 167. Would you like to try a piece?
You go first.
Oh, chewy.
Chewy, he says.
Venison.
Tastes like venison and it's chewy.
It's pretty good.
It seems overcooked.
It's a porcupine. I wanted to make sure.
Sauce is good. Definitely edible. Better than I thought it'd be.
It's kind of fatty.
In a good way.
Yeah, like it's tender. Like, look at it. It's very.
Is this piece for me?
Mm-hmm.
Is that a hair?
Could be a quill. Grab an inside piece.
You know what? I think it's a worm.
It's not a worm.
I hate to say it, but I think it's almost better than venison.
It's way better.
Less
than
gamey.
venison. Well, depends how you want to cook it, though. It's fattier for sure. It's got more, like it in a, like you said, in a good way. Not fatty or like gross. It's more
Fattier like prime rib.
Yeah, yeah. It's good. I would eat this again.
Yeah.
Different recipe. I wonder how good this piece of fat is.
If we find one moose hunting, let's maybe we take it.
Trying to clean it was a chore.
Yeah. I think I'd do it the same way though.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Like
It's like the way.
cleaning it the same way.
Yeah, that's pretty good how we did it.
Do you want to explain what we did?
Well, I just slowly skin it around. Just like a deer, you know? Same thing.
Yeah.
You know what it tastes like?
Tell him.
Like pork chops.
Pork chops? I wouldn't go that far. Cut
Like
me a
barbecue
piece.
pork chops.
So, we ate this one with barbecue sauce. Fantastic. Now we're going to eat this one with Frank's Hot. Red Hot powder. Pretty good. You going to cut me a piece or what?
Mm.
Better?
It's so good. It's so good.
1 to 10.
8.
8. Better than deer or similar to deer?
Way better than deer.
I agree. If you're gonna kill it, you better eat it. Don't kill it if you're not gonna eat it. That's wrong in my opinion, but yeah. So going forward, we're gonna harvest these, right?
I would definitely eat this again, for sure.
Yeah. For the little bit amount of work, it's a pretty hefty. Like that's quite the bone. Like that's quite the piece of meat. That's like a turkey leg right there. That's the back quarter, hind quarters. Yeah. Sweet. JackPineEmbers. Click in that corner. Stay tuned and follow what we do.